guys, this is Joy with Close to My Heart, and I wanted to show you the Holiday Sparkle Cut Above card kit that makes these super cute shaker cards. I am going to be showing you the card kit plus the stamp set, which is a bundle. It's just slightly more to get the bundle, and you get this full-size stamp set. So take a look at this. Isn't this cute? There's a lot of good sayings on here. So just consider getting the bundle. That's what you're going to probably want to do. All right, let's get started and see what's in here. For starters, Close to My Heart is really good with providing instructions. And assembly tips and everything like that. So that is awesome. When you buy kits from Close to My Heart, we usually provide stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. Other things that come in here are some loose sequins, the shaker window foam and acetate, of course the cards and envelopes, or the envelopes shall I say. Here are the cards that are pre-printed, as you can see, and there's 6 of one kind and 6 of the other. There's some more foam and acetate, and then here are some stickers. I think there's 2 sets here. Here's some punch outs. These are punch outs. And here are some stickers. Also, you will need adhesive. All right, let's put 2 of these together so you can really take a look and see how easy it is. All right, I'm here to put together the Merry and Bright, and I'm going to show you it. First of all, in your packet that says Shaker Windows Foam and Acetate, I've pulled out one of the round pieces, and you'll see that there's a, see, you can kind of see it. You see all those squares that you're going to use to put your bird or whatever else, your Christmas ornament on there. And then around the edge is a circular piece that we're going to stick our acetate to. So that'll keep our sequins inside. All right. So here's a little trick I got to show you guys because I've been almost in tears trying to figure this out. I've pulled out my piece of acetate. Now, one side has got film on it. So if you take this little, it's called the Rub and Remove Eraser. We sell it, Close to My Heart sells it. And you go along, let's move this out of the way, the edge and kind of just rub at the edge on the correct side. So there will be that. So if you're on the wrong side, which I could be, then this should come up. So actually, didn't want to work on here before. It worked better on the desk. All right. So it might not be that side. Let's try the other side. Yep, there we go. It's the other side. So in just 2 seconds, I got that to come off, or maybe longer, with this. Otherwise, it was minutes and I was almost in tears. So tears are never good when we're doing the project. We want to avoid tears as much as possible. All right, so our next tip that you need to know, I'm going to pull off this clear plastic. Whoop, gone. Okay. And I'm going to set that down. And then I'm going to pull off just the ring, just the edge. So you see how I'm pulling off this circular edge that covers my foam circle. I'm going to take this, oops, I'm going to try not to flip that upside down. I'm going to also rub it with my anti-static pouch, which I might do a few times. So just FYI, I've got this anti-static pouch, which will help the sequins from not just clinging to the acetate and then not moving around. So let's pull this bad boy open. Just going to rub this down. That gets rid of the static. Okay, and then I'm just going to lay this acetate right on top of my circle. This way I'm not worried about did I push the circular edge out or what happened here. Just going to put it right down on top. Okay, done. And then I can peel off my outer edge. Now, I've got my circle like this. All right, I'm going to set that aside. Probably should have done this in a different order. So, probably should sprinkle these loose sequins, which come in our kit. Just going to put a couple. In the instructions, it says to divide these into 12 equal little bunches, which is great, but I will immediately mess that up. So I'm going to just use them like this and pour out a little bit and then call it good. Because I have cats and they will immediately come in here and mess that up. It'll be a disaster. Nobody wants that. All right, rub one more time with this anti-static thing, just like so. And then I'm just going to stick this down. Voila! And now these are not staticky, hopefully. Hopefully. All right. Okay, so that's how we did that. Now, if you'll remember, on these sheets, there's a sheet of stickers. Here's my edge. I stick on top of this so we don't see the foam. And there's our card. Woohoo! Done. All right, hopefully those tips were helpful about pulling off the acetate and also getting this laid down easily. Okay, now we've got our front made. I used a glue dot, a little mini glue dot to put that sequin down. And I'm going to take my stamp set that I bought in the bundle. This only comes if you buy the bundle, so you want to buy the bundle because it's such a good deal. Okay, and then I'm going to do a sentiment for the inside. So, may your days be merry and bright as the front, and we could say, from our home to yours. It's actually kind of a handy stamp to have anyway. Alrighty, I'm going to condition the stamp. This is how you condition a stamp. It's really easy. Just go around with your hand. I make sure my foam acetate is down underneath where I'm going to stamp, and I get my raspberry ink. Make sure that's nice and good. And I'm just going to, oops, I'm off camera again, darn it. Ink this up, as so, and take a look, make sure I'm doing good with that. And then I'm going to set this down in here and put it in the middle. Well, I'm going to try to, that from our, all right, there we go, from our home to yours. All right, there's our card.